Ever felt daunted by the prospect of setting up a complex meteorological model like WRF? Fear not. This hands-on course is designed to simplify the process, guiding you through the nitty-gritty of installing the weather research and forecasting model, along with the essential WRF multi-operating system installation tool on Linux systems. We'll walk through the installation step by step, ensuring you understand the dependencies, the environment configuration, and the nifty tricks to overcome common roadblocks. It's time to roll up your sleeves and get ready to unlock the full potential of weather modeling and simulation. Understanding how to install and configure WRF with WRF-MOSIT is more than just a technical skill. It's a gate pass to the world of high-resolution atmospheric simulations. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped to customize, execute, and manage simulations that serve a broad range of meteorological research and forecasting needs. Whether you're aiming to improve local weather predictions, work on climate change models, or contribute to academic research, these skills will prove invaluable. Dive in, and let's demystify the complexities of weather modeling together, one command line at a time.